Hi, kids! It's me, Mazy, and welcome back to Puppet Frenzy. Today we have 3 exciting surprise cones. Red, yellow, and purple. Which one should we open first? Red? That's great! Wowzers, a sea turtle. Some sea turtles can grow up to 6 feet long and over 1,000 pounds. Sea turtles have hard shells to protect them, but they can't retract their heads into their shells like other turtles. Some sea turtles can hold their breath for over 30 minutes. That's a long time. Which one should we open next? Yellow? Great! Whoa, a shark! Sharks have the most powerful jaws on the planet. A shark may grow and lose over 20,000 teeth during their life. Wow, that's a lot of teeth. I don't even have one. Sharks don't have any bones in their bodies. Instead, they have cartilage, just like your ears. Whoa! That hammerhead shark was so cool! Now, let's open the purple one. Neat! An octopus! An octopus has 8 limbs. It can change its color to camouflage itself. And they can release a cloud of purplish-black ink to escape a threat. That's so cool! Today we opened 3 surprise cones, and we found a sea turtle, a shark, and an octopus. What do you think all 3 of these animals have in common? You're so smart! They all live in the ocean! Tell me about your favorite ocean animal in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and watch all my videos. Bye! Hi, kids! It's me, Mazy, and welcome back to Puppet Frenzy. Today we have 3 awesome surprise tubes. Purple, pink, and yellow. What do you think we're going to find today? Let's check out the purple tube first. Cool! A cardinal. Cardinals are songbirds and sing over 24 different melodies. The males are bright red and they have a black mask on their face. The females are light brown to gray with hints of red on their crests, wings, and tail. The females sit on their eggs in the nest while the males gather food for them both. Now let's look under the pink tube. Cool! A flamingo! Flamingos can be between 3 and 5 feet tall. Often they stand on one leg with the other leg tucked under its body. Flamingos are filter feeders and they hold their curved beak upside down in the water to find their food. The flamingos are pink or red in color due to a pigment in the plankton and shrimp they eat. Neat! Those flamingos sure were cool. Now let's look under the yellow tube. Whoa! A bald eagle! Bald eagles have a white head, brown body, and a hooked yellow beak. They have been our national emblem of the United States of America since 1782. Bald eagles eat fish, turtles, snakes, and rabbits. They can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour when diving. Wow, that's fast! Today we found a cardinal, a flamingo, and a bald eagle. Do you know what all of these have in common? Wow, you were so smart! They're all birds. Do you have a favorite bird? Tell me about it in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe so you see all my videos. Bye! Hi, kids! It's me, Mazy, and welcome back to Puppet Frenzy. Today we have 3 fun surprise tubes: pink, purple, and yellow. Since my nose is pink, let's look under the pink tube first. Cool! A horse! Horses can sleep both laying down and standing up. That's neat. And horses are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. A male horse is called a stallion. Females are called mares. Young males are called colts. And young females are called fillies. And baby horses are called foals. And since I love my purple fur, let's look under the purple one next. Wow! A cow! Cows are herbivores, and they eat mainly grass, plants, and corn. We make dairy products such as milk, cheese, and ice cream from cow's milk. Yum! I love ice cream. The male cows are called bulls, females are called cows, and young cows are called calves. Now we finally get to see what's under the yellow tube. Neat! A goat! Goats are very coordinated, and they can climb steep mountains. They can climb trees, and they can jump up to 5 feet high. Wow! Goats use their lips to grab their food and to nibble at objects when they're curious. Goats' pupils and their eyes are rectangular instead of round like ours. Baby goats are called kids. Today we found a horse, a cow, and a goat. Do you know where all 3 of these animals can be found? You are so smart! They're all barn animals. They can live on farms. Tell me about a time you pet an animal in the comments below. And come back and see me real soon. Bye! Hi kids! It's me, Mazy, and welcome back to Puppet Frenzy. Today we have 3 surprise cones: red, yellow, and purple. Which one would you like to look under first? Red? Great! I love red. Wow! A macaw! Macaws are colorful tropical parrots. They're omnivores. They eat fruits, nuts, insects, and reptiles. They have large, powerful beaks for cracking shells and a dry tongue for tapping into fruits. They have gripping toes that hold and grab items. Macaws are intelligent and social. They live in flocks and communicate through squawks, calls, and screams. Wow, that macaw was so pretty. Now, which color would you like? Yellow? Cool! Whoa! A duck! Ducks eat grains, seeds, nuts, plants, and fish. Male ducks are usually brightly colored, while the females tend to be brown. Male ducks are called drakes. Females are called hens, and their babies are called ducklings. Ducks live in fresh water and salt water. Those were some cool ducks. I'd love to talk to a duck. Quack, quack. And that leaves us with purple. Let's check it out. Neat! An owl! Owls are active at night, which makes them nocturnal. They have large eyes and flat faces. Owls hunt insects, mammals, birds, and fish. They have powerful talons to catch their prey. Owls can turn their heads as much as 270 degrees. Wow, that's cool. Boy, those owls sure had cool eyes. Today we found a macaw, a duck, and an owl. Do you know what all 3 of these animals have in common? You are so smart. They're all birds. Tell me about your favorite bird in the comments below. And don't forget to come see me real soon. Bye! Hi kids! It's me, Mazy, and welcome back to Puppet Frenzy! Today we have 3 surprise treasure chests. Let's discover what's in the first one. Whoa! Red gems! Let's count them and see how many there are. Boy, are these pretty. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow! 8 red gems. Let's discover what's in the second chest. Wow! Pretty blue gems. How many do you think there are? Let's count. Wow, these are bright blue gems. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blue gems. Now we have one more treasure chest to discover. Cool, yellow gems. Let's count them. Cool, look at these yellow gems. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 yellow gems? Wow, that's the most out of any of the treasure chests. Today we opened 3 treasure chests. We found 8 red, 9 blue, and 10 yellow gems. That was so much fun! Tell me what your favorite color is in the comments below. And come back and see more Puppet Frenzy videos soon. Bye! Hi kids! It's me, Mazy, and welcome back to Puppet Frenzy. Today we have 3 amazing surprise tubes. Purple, pink, and yellow. What do you think we're going to find inside? Let's look under the purple tube. Whoa! A brown bear! Did you know brown bears are often called grizzly bears? They can be omnivores, which means they eat plants and meat. One of their favorites is fish. Yum! They hibernate in dens all winter long. Now let's check out the pink tube. Cool! A polar bear! Did you know polar bears have black skin underneath their white fur? Polar bears do not hibernate. They hunt for meat all winter long. And they can weigh up to 1,500 pounds. That makes them the largest carnivores on Earth. They can detect a smell from nearly a mile away. Wow, that's far! Now we have a yellow tube to discover. Yes! A black bear! Black bears have short claws that make them expert tree climbers. Do you like to climb? Me too. Even though they are called black bears, they can also be brown, gray, silvery blue, and cream. When they hibernate in the winter, they go months without eating or drinking. Do you know what all 3 animals had in common today? You are smart! They are all bears! We found a brown bear, polar bear, and black bear. Tell us which bear is your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to like our video by clicking the thumbs up. Bye!